Hello everyone, this is our REXON Advanced Coalescing Separation Oil Purifier, a high-performance solution designed for efficient removal of water and contaminants from industrial oils. This system is widely used for hydraulic oil, lubricating oil, and turbine oil purification, helping to extend oil service life, protect equipment, and ensure stable system operation. At the heart of this machine is our advanced fully automatic PLC control system, independently developed by REXON's professional engineering team. The PLC system enables intelligent operation, real-time monitoring, and precise control of the entire purification process. With automatic startup, alarm protection, and condition-based operation, the system significantly reduces manual intervention while improving reliability, safety, and operating efficiency. All key parameters are clearly displayed on the touchscreen interface, allowing operators to manage the purifier easily and accurately. In addition, this oil purifier is equipped with a high-precision flow meter, ensuring stable and controlled oil processing capacity. An online moisture monitoring sensor continuously detects water content in the oil, providing real-time data to guarantee optimal purification performance and oil quality control. Welcome to contact us for more information of our REXON oil purifier.